Well, February 11th. Still everything's going good in the grow closet. So you can see pepper plants are getting put in the cups this week. And there's a lot of them. Still got a couple of things in their cells. I'm pretty much at this point moving things over to cups. I think it's been, 5 weeks of growth. So, and the way I'm moving them into cups is just with some cheap garden soil, popping them in there. See, over here, another thing I'm starting is I'm going to try and grow some herbs in the windowsill. I've heard you can do it. So I've got chives, mint, thyme, parsley, rosemary, and lavender going right there. And for everything else, because the grow closet is getting way too full, I'm moving out here on the sun porch. It's just not getting too cold at night now. Out here anyway, and I keep it warm throughout the day. So I got this set up with a light about, 12 inches up. And this way they can start getting used to the sunlight coming through the window. And this is how I've been bottom watering. I just fill one of these trays up with water, a little bit of Miracle-Gro, just a little bit, and soak them from the bottom. That way all this don't get wet. And everything's going pretty good. It's actually it's getting close time to start like broccoli and peas and stuff in our area. I started everything early, but it's getting close to that time to start putting your seeds in, getting everything going. Can't wait for it to get warm so I can get all this stuff out in the yard and out of here. That is the update.